Hello science fans, welcome to a journey that's changing the way we move, live and care for our planet. Today we're diving into the electric car revolution, a transformation that's not just happening in labs or far-off places, but right now, on the streets of our own cities and neighborhoods. For over a century, most cars ran on gasoline. These vehicles took us to new places and connected our world, but they also came with a hidden cost, polluting our air and warming our planet. Burning fossil fuels releases harmful gases like carbon dioxide and nitrogen oxides, which damage our atmosphere, contribute to smog, and drive the dangerous changes we see in our climate today. Electric cars, or EVs, run on electricity instead of gasoline, making them much cleaner for the environment. They don't have tailpipes, so they don't spew out pollution as they drive. Imagine our planet as a shared home. For decades, we've been making a mess. Car pollution is a big part of that mess, filling our air with toxins and making it harder to breathe, especially in big cities. EVs offer a way to clean up, helping us protect our home for future generations. They're not just about getting from point A to B, they're about making sure our kids and grandkids inherit a world that's healthy and full of possibility. The idea isn't new. Early cars were electric, but back then batteries were too heavy, too weak, and couldn't take people very far. Gasoline engines took over because they were more practical at the time. Now, thanks to advances in science and engineering, today's batteries are powerful, compact, and can store much more energy. Modern EVs can travel hundreds of miles on a single charge, making them a real option for everyday drivers. This technology has sparked a global revolution, making EVs practical and accessible for millions of people. Charging stations are popping up everywhere and more models are available than ever before. Why now? Because we're at a critical moment for our planet's health. The effects of climate change are becoming impossible to ignore. Melting glaciers, rising sea levels, and extreme weather events. Science is clear. We must cut carbon emissions fast, and switching to electric cars is one of the most effective ways to do it. Pairing EVs with renewable energy sources like solar and wind makes them even cleaner. Every EV on the road is a step toward a cleaner, cooler world. Each electric car means less pollution, less noise, and a brighter future for everyone. When you see an electric car glide by, you're seeing hope in motion, and a glimpse of the future of transportation that's already arriving. It's a simple choice with a huge impact. By choosing electric, you're helping to shape a world that's cleaner, safer, and more sustainable. The electric car isn't just a vehicle, it's a symbol of progress, innovation, and our commitment to a better world. By choosing electric, we're choosing a better tomorrow. The future is electrifying, and it's ours to create, one ride at a time. Let's break down why electric cars are environmental superheroes. These vehicles are more than just a new trend. They're a powerful force for positive change in our cities and our world. Their biggest advantage? Zero tailpipe emissions, no exhaust, no harmful gases. When you drive an EV, you're not releasing any pollution directly into the air, which is a huge win for the environment. Gasoline cars pump out carbon dioxide and pollutants that harm our lungs and heat the planet. Every mile driven by a gas car adds to the haze and contributes to climate change, making our cities less healthy. EVs don't burn fuel, so city air gets cleaner and healthier. Imagine walking outside and breathing deeply without worrying about smog or toxic fumes. Imagine rush hour with only electric cars, no smog, just fresh air. Streets would be quieter too, since EVs are much less noisy than traditional vehicles. Cleaner air means fewer health problems and better quality of life. Children can play outside more safely, and everyone benefits from a healthier environment. Some ask, where does the electricity come from? Even if it's from fossil fuels, power plants are cleaner than millions of engines. Power plants are regulated and can use advanced technology to reduce emissions. Plus, our grid is getting greener every day with more solar and wind power. Renewable energy is expanding fast, making every EV cleaner as time goes on. Charging your EV with renewable energy brings us closer to zero emissions travel. The cleaner the electricity, the smaller your carbon footprint. Every new solar panel and wind turbine makes every EV cleaner. As we invest in renewables, the benefits multiply, not just for drivers, but for everyone. EVs are investments in a greener tomorrow. Choosing an electric car is a step toward a future where clean air and a stable climate are possible. As our world shifts to renewables, electric cars get even better for the planet. The synergy between clean energy and clean transportation is transforming our cities. The cleaner our energy, the cleaner our cars. The possibilities are electrifying. Together, we can drive toward a brighter, healthier, and more sustainable future. Electric cars aren't just good for the planet, they're changing the way we think about driving and saving money. With every mile you drive, you're not only reducing your carbon footprint, but you're also making a smart financial decision that pays off in the long run. They're good for your wallet too. Imagine spending less on fuel every month and keeping more of your hard-earned cash for things you love. Electricity is usually cheaper and more stable in price than gasoline, so you're less affected by sudden spikes at the pump. Plus, many areas offer special rates for overnight charging, making it even more affordable. Charging at home, especially overnight, can save you a lot compared to filling up at the pump. No more detours to gas stations. Just plug in and wake up to a full battery, ready for the day ahead. EVs are incredibly efficient, converting over 85% of energy into motion, far more than traditional cars. This means you get more distance from every unit of energy, making your trips both cleaner and cheaper. Gas engines, on the other hand, waste most of their energy as heat. That's energy and money lost every time you drive. More efficiency means more miles for your money. Maintenance is simpler too. No oil changes, no spark plugs, and far fewer moving parts to worry about. That translates to less hassle and fewer unexpected repair bills. Fewer repairs mean less time at the mechanic and more savings over the car's life. You'll spend more time enjoying the drive and less time dealing with breakdowns. While EVs can cost more upfront, lower fuel and maintenance costs add up fast. Incentives and tax credits can also help offset the initial price, making the switch even more attractive. Over time, driving electric can save you thousands. Those savings can go toward family vacations, hobbies, or simply building your financial future. It's a win for your bank account and the environment. Cleaner air, quieter streets, and a healthier planet are all part of the package. The smart choice is also the sustainable one. Every charge is a step toward a greener future for everyone. EVs prove you don't have to sacrifice savings for sustainability. You can have both, financial benefits and a positive impact on the world. Cleaner, cheaper, and easier to own. That's the double win of electric cars. Why not drive smarter and make a difference every time you hit the road? Electric cars are transforming the driving experience with cutting-edge technology. Instant acceleration makes them fun and responsive. No engine lag, just smooth power. Interiors feel futuristic with large touchscreens controlling everything from music to navigation. These smart systems connect to the internet for real-time updates and entertainment. Navigation helps you find the most energy-efficient routes and nearby charging stations. Regenerative braking recycles energy when you slow down, boosting efficiency. Advanced driver assistance features keep you safer, helping you stay in your lane, avoid collisions, and reduce stress. Many EVs are paving the way for self-driving technology. An electric car is more than a vehicle. It's a smart, safe computer on wheels. The future of driving is connected, efficient, and exciting. Welcome to the next generation of mobility.